What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. Welcome to our man cave, or second half of our man cave. Why am I having? Oof, don't throw things, Richard. Don't throw. Why am I having so many helmets? Is because I want to talk about them and their importance. Once we go inside, like this is actually a new helmet in our house, in our family, and my
Does
son.
it fit you?
It does, but not beyond that point. This is actually Agastya's helmet. It's a little too big for him still. But yeah, whenever he's on rides, he uses this. To be honest, not the safest helmet in the market, but as at least a start for him. And good morning, guys. Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. Welcome to another video. It has been time, right? We wanted to meet you guys. We wanted to do a meetup where we meet each other personally. It's getting a little delayed. I'm really sorry for that. But we wanted to go on a small ride, and we are heading to IBW really soon. That is about 7th of December is when we are starting from Hyderabad, early hours. And once we come back from Goa is when we will actually meet you in person. If you are in Goa for IBW, we can meet each other there as well.
Before going any further, recently we changed our camera setup. If you guys like the new setup, please comment down below and let us know.
Yes.
How is the new setup compared to the old ones?
At least in terms of video quality.
Yeah, back.
And yes, so for all of you who are not aware, I have just gone ahead and changed my helmet. This was my old helmet. It is an HJC Alpha 70, a beautiful helmet. I've been using this for about 5-6 years. Things are getting old in here. Like whenever I'm going on over bumps, when I want air, I open it, and immediately when I accelerate, it shuts. So I'm having a little difficulty in keeping this open, and I don't need to do anything. It's like, see? And yes, you can actually repair it, but I wanted a new helmet. I fell in love with another helmet which looks very similar to this. If you can actually see right here, this is my new helmet. It's an LS2 brand which has been in the Indian market for a very long time. We had a lot of fakery going around in this brand. But yes, this one particular model is called the LS2 Thunder Plus or FF805, complete carbon fiber. It's got a very good safety rating, the new latest standards of ECE 2206. If you see the older helmets, which had an older rating of 2205, if you see this has got a 2205, and this helmet is actually a Bell qualifier, one of the first helmets I used to use in the market. Compared to this, the newer standards are much more stringent. The same helmet also comes in the FIM certification without the sockets for the speakers. I wanted that because I need to put a system where we talk to each other. Works well, looks good, carbon fiber, is light. And Srujan's helmet, I've been donning this for about 2 years now.
So yeah, this is a Climb Creos Pro and this is my adventure touring helmet. I rock it on my Africa Twin. If I use this on the Panigale, I look like an idiot. So this is mainly for my touring. But I also have an old helmet, which
is actually kept outside for now.
Is a 7-year-old helmet. This is the Shui X Spirit 3 and this thing looks amazing. This helmet was gifted to me by Rohit and I used to wear this, tour on this, and I went to
I didn't gift it to you, right? You stole it from me.
Depends, chota bhai. So this is an excellent helmet. The shell is still in perfect good condition, but the internal liners.
Okay, look at what is happening on the bonnet of this car. It is not dirt and grime, it is actually the liners.
It's the liners. So yeah, the liners of this helmet are actually falling apart and you can't do anything with it. Throw it basically. And yes, so a helmet's life, the liners will give you a life of close to 3 to 4 years maximum, and beyond which it's better, it is advised to change the liners and get a new one. Right now I'm not getting it because to purchase the liners for the Shui Xperia 3, we don't get it in India that easily. So I need someone to get it from the States. So any which ways, so yes, change the liners every 3 to 4 years. And if the shell is in good condition, as in it never falls and there's no crack on the helmet, the shell will be good for 10 to 12 years. Beyond which it is advisable to change the helmet itself.
The reason why these get spoiled, right? Again, one is when you wear a helmet, you sweat inside it. This absorbs all the sweat, all the bacteria which is on your body. Along with that, all the weather, outside conditions, whatever. Over time, this disintegrates.
Not only sweat, your oils from your head as well.
Everything possible. This is taken everything. And because you wear it and it is basically stuck to your face, pretty much. Helmets are supposed to be tight. If it's a loose helmet, it is the wrong size for you. It is stuck to your cheeks, head, face, everywhere on your face, that is. They take the shape of your face. So that is the reason why when somebody actually asks you for your own personal helmet, I wouldn't give that because it's very personal and it takes the shape. If somebody else takes it, the shape of it slightly changes over time. So don't do that. Everybody have your own personal helmets. And yes, because of that, this takes the shape of whoever is the owner of the helmet. And over time, it gets spoiled. And seriously, we need to change this for this particular helmet. But this helmet is lovely. Reason why okay, I threw that actually. Come inside, I want to show you something else. This is one of our oldest helmets which we own. It is an SOL. I got it when I actually purchased the Benelli. I took this helmet for the delivery of that bike. Not much into biking, but that was when we started. Recently, this helmet had a fall. If you see this, all these scratches, it looks very minor, it looks very superficial, but if a helmet has a big fall, this one had a fall from one of our bikes and the rider actually fell and hit his head on the tarmac, and it looks very small scratches. Rider was safe, very good, helmet has done its job. But if you have a fall like this and an impact has been taken place on the helmet, it is time to dispose it. So we don't use this helmet anymore. It looks fine, it might look fine, just small minor scratches, but the integral structure of the helmet might be damaged and it would not survive another fall like that. So if it falls, if it has damage, stop using that helmet, buy it. So if you have seen one of our recent videos where we have actually changed our Senas to Cardo systems, these are the new ones. What we have gone ahead and done is we have purchased extra kits which help us in changing from this Cardo to one of the other helmets pretty easily. And this is actually one of the first time I'm removing it. It's pretty easy. This is magnetic, so that makes it a lot easier. So the other kit, okay, this one has it. So the other kit basically has your entire system. All you need to do is remove this from your old helmet, or should the current helmet which you're using, to a new one, leave it. It clamps in place and this helmet is ready to go. You don't need to buy an entire system. This is expensive. I would say even the second helmet kit, it looks something like this for Cardo. Let it be Senna or anything, you can purchase it. They are expensive, mind you, but they are much better than buying the entire system. This can be used in multiple helmets. It's very simple. Same kit, Cardo. Blooper. Okay, any which ways, tuck. It just goes, snaps in place, and you don't have to worry about it. Removing it is press, pull forward. This goes back on this helmet again. Easy fix. That's what is very wonderful about Cardo. People have asked us, how do you compare Cardos to Sennas? We used an older system. What we found is the Cardos are quieter. The communication, there is not a lot of interference. There's not a lot of static, and that is where it is good. Range test, I think on the highway we haven't been that well, but it is more clear.
When we go to the next ride, we will let you know a comprehensive review on that.
If you guys have seen my recent video, I told you that my pant is torn. This was my old pant, and
this was my pant.
Yeah, this was Srujan's pant. My pant is somewhere here. But yeah, and this basically tore completely in Spiti. Age is a factor. Stitches are coming off.
6 years now? It gives a life of plus 6 years.
Yeah. Rhinox have actually done an amazing job. The padding is good. Only thing is coming off is the stitches. I wouldn't blame the company for this, but it's just old. So I've gone ahead and purchased a new pant from the same company. This is what I'm going to don in the new trip. It's black. I am a black and red guy, so Kati. So this is my black jacket. So this is what I'm going to don in the trip, and IPW is what I'm really excited for. If you guys are coming, let us know in the comments below. See you there. Till next time. Bye guys.
Oh, wait. IBW was your first ride ever on a bike?
Yes, on the Benelli.
That was 7 years ago?
No, 8 years ago.
That was 8 years ago.
Pretty much, yes.
So the first ride on the Benelli, which you've done. And after 8 years, you're doing it again.
Yes.
Excited?
Years? Yes, 8 years.
So tell me which bike you're getting.
I'm still confused. I want to take the R18, which is going to be a tough task riding that bike because of the lack of ground clearance. It's not meant for twisties. There are proper guard section. Either the R18 or the Multi. Confused in between these two. Let me know in the comments below, because the Multi has come in all the rides. Basically, that is my go-to bike for touring. What do you guys think? What do you think, Srujan? You guys, let me know in the comments below.
I've been to many parts of India on the bike itself, but I've never been to Goa on the bike. So this is the first time I'm going to Goa on the bike. That if I go, there's still a lot of ifs and buts that I get time to go because I have a lot of work. Let's see. Hopefully I go. But if I go, I take the Africa twin. That's easiest. And
you're taking the Africa, no other bike.
No, Panigale mein, I think if I take the Panigale out, I need to change my entire spine. So Africa is easiest.
Truxton?
Africa. So we are getting a lot of things done on the Africa to resolve the bounce and also eliminate the air leakage. Hopefully everything solves in the next few days, and if I go, I take the Africa, otherwise I'm not.
Whiskey, what should I take? Tell me. Google Bo, you didn't tell me what should I take. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Whiskey is not answering as well.